When should you use an HTML table instead of CSS Grid? Here's the simple answer that trips up developers every day. Use HTML tables for tabular data. Think spreadsheets, schedules, pricing charts, or any data comparison. If your content has rows and columns that represent actual data relationships, like employee names matched with salaries or product features compared across tiers, that's a table. The table element exists to give structure and meaning to data that naturally belongs in a grid format. CSS Grid, on the other hand, is a layout tool. Use it to arrange your page components, create responsive designs, or position visual elements. Grid lets you place a sidebar, header, and content area wherever you want. It's about visual design and page structure, not data organization. Tables have built-in accessibility benefits. Screen readers announce table headers, navigate by rows and columns, and understand the semantic structure. This helps users with disabilities comprehend data relationships. CSS Grid has no semantic meaning, it's purely visual. So assistive technologies treat it like any other div. The key difference is inherent relationships. Table cells have a meaningful connection to their row and column headers. The data in each cell relates to both its row and its column. CSS Grid positions are arbitrary. You can put anything anywhere without creating logical data connections. One warning, never use tables for page layout. That's an anti-pattern from the early web days before CSS existed. Tables are for data, period. Remember, tables for data with row and column relationships, CSS Grid for visual layout and design. Master this distinction and you'll write cleaner, more accessible HTML. Want to get better at answering questions like this? With Interview Mentor, you practice real interview questions out loud. You get personalized feedback and a grade on every answer, and you can track your improvement over time.